Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. Today I want to talk to you about some motorcycle club related stuff. Specifically, I want to talk about the pace of prospecting. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Here at Yogi Cycle Service, I do motorcycle stuff. Service, repairs, maintenance. One guy pointed out, gee, all three of those things are the same thing. Well, yeah, sure, okay, whatever. We fix bikes on this channel. We do moto vlogs on this channel. We talk about club stuff. We're just at basically anything Yogi related. So I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. Ask you if you like this video to give it a thumbs up. Surf around my channel. I got lots of playlists out there. You're bound to find something hopefully that you'll like. If not, sorry, can't help you. But if you're a returning subscriber, I thank you for stopping by and checking out this video. The pace of prospecting. And I was talking to a fellow about this over the weekend. I am not, let's clear the air. I am not a 1%er. I'm not in a 1% club. We are just a regular, an MC. Specifically, we're a Christian MC. And I have 8 years of being in a Christian MC. With that, I was leadership in a Christian MC. So as a leader, what are some of the qualities that I look for somebody who's prospecting? One of the qualities I look for is pace of prospecting, because there has been so much stuff going on lately, just so many things going on in my life, but I still have to maintain a certain pace, right? In everything that I do, not just club life, but everything I do, whether it's working on my deck, putting down the hardwood floors, doing things with the family, whatever it is, if I am wide open, throttle wide open all the time, I know I'm just going to crash and burn. I know it. This is just how I am. Out of 50 years of living on this planet, I can only go wide open, burn the candle at both ends, as they say, for so long before you crash and burn, right? But sometimes we get into this, when you get excited about something, when you get pumped up about something, you want to give it everything, right? So you put in 100% into it. And then what winds up happening? You crash and burn. When I look at a guy who's a prospect, I can kind of get a gauge of what he's going to be like as a full patch based upon what he's like as a prospect. Now, if you have a 3-month prospect period, your club has a 3-month period where you prospect, you're not going to get that feeling. But if you got a little bit longer time, 6 months, 8 months as a prospect, yeah, the truth will come out, because people can only fake it to make it for so long. Some point in time in those 6 months, 8 months, the real you is going to come out, and the real pace is what's going to come out. And personally, I don't want somebody who's wide open all the time, because I know that they're going to burn out. But I don't want somebody who gives, 30% either. And, they show up at 3 out of 10 events. Because I know that when they full patch, they're going to have 101 reasons and excuses why they can't make an event. So I want somebody who's nice and steady, right? Who gives as much as they can. And when you have things like Iron Saturday, they make most all the Iron Saturdays. When you have events, they're usually there at the events. When they have open houses, for the most part, they're covering open house nights. And they're putting in, but I see them also putting in work at home too, and putting in work with the family, because let's face it, if mama ain't behind you doing what you do, you probably won't be doing it for that long, for very long. So when looking for a man to be a full patch, I'm looking for somebody who has figured out how to pace themselves. Prioritize. For us, it's God, family, work, club. Pace is an important thing. And I'm sure full patches and non-Christian clubs would agree with that also. They like to see their guy, this is not a 5K race. Being in a motorcycle club is a marathon. The prospecting is just the warm-up to the big race. So don't think that once, you can go, for lack of a better term, balls to the wall through your prospecting, and then when you hit full patch, you can take your foot off the throttle or take your wrist off the throttle and chillax, because that's not how it works. If anything, you get busier once your eyes get open. There's more things. You know, you get busier as a full patch, and as you step up in leadership, you step up in responsibility, you step up in time management, because there are more things as a leader that you're going to do than just as a regular full patch member. Settle in, find your comfort zone, and maintain that pace. Find that balance. And it's hard to find that balance, and sometimes that line moves throughout the month, based upon the needs of your wife and the needs of the house and maybe the needs of your club. That line will never stay fixed. It's always moving. There's my quick little tip for this Tuesday. So I thank you, Yogi Clan, for joining, and I hope you all have an awesome week. All right, y'all. I'll catch you later. Peace.
The only thing we have to fear is